Hey, I'm Ty with WTI, and I wanted to show you guys my oFloral marble mouse pad. I think this mouse pad is so cute, so artistic. I just love the look of it, and it matches all the other things in my office here. I have like a navy blue gold theme going on in here, and I just thought that this one would be so cute to go with it, and I was right. I just love this mouse pad. It's so adorable, and I get compliments on it all the time. I think that it works really well. It's really functional. My mouse is able to easily slide across the mouse pad, and I just think it adds a really nice artistic piece to my office. And you know, art can be on your walls, but it can also be in the functional items that you use in your house. So I try to make everything a little bit artsy in here. So I've been super happy with it. I love this mouse pad. No complaints whatsoever. Highly recommend it. And that's my point of view.